Tuna salad is a classic comfort food that's both delicious and incredibly easy to make. This versatile dish can be enjoyed in various ways, making it perfect for a quick lunch or light dinner. Let's explore how to create this simple yet satisfying meal. At its core, tuna salad requires just a few key ingredients. Start with canned tuna, preferably wild-caught and packed in water. Add mayonnaise for creaminess, celery for a fresh crunch, and finely diced red onion for a savory kick. Fresh parsley brings a touch of brightness, while Dijon mustard adds depth. Finally, salt and pepper round out the flavors. Making tuna salad couldn't be simpler. Begin by draining the canned tuna thoroughly. Place the drained tuna in a bowl and add mayonnaise, chopped celery, diced red onion, fresh parsley, and Dijon mustard. Use a fork to mix everything together, breaking up any large chunks of tuna as you go. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and your tuna salad is ready to enjoy. One of the best things about tuna salad is its versatility. If you're not a fan of mayonnaise, try using Greek yogurt for a lighter, tangier version. For a dairy-free option, mashed avocado works wonderfully. You can add extra crunch with diced cucumbers or shredded cabbage, or introduce sweetness with diced apples or raisins. Spice lovers can experiment with curry powder or other seasonings to create unique flavor profiles. Tuna salad can be served in numerous ways. The classic approach is to make a sandwich, perhaps with some crisp lettuce and juicy tomato slices. For a low-carb option, try wrapping it in large lettuce leaves. It's also delicious stuffed into halved avocados or tomatoes. You can even use it as a dip for crackers or vegetable sticks. When it comes to storage, tuna salad will keep in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. Be sure to store it in an airtight container and avoid leaving it at room temperature for extended periods. If you want to make a larger batch, you can freeze tuna salad for up to 2 months. Just remember to drain any excess liquid after thawing and give it a good stir before serving. Tuna salad is more than just a simple dish. It's a quick, nutritious, and customizable meal that can fit into any diet. Whether you're packing a lunch, preparing a light dinner, or looking for a protein-rich snack, tuna salad is an excellent choice. With its balance of flavors and textures, it's sure to satisfy your taste buds while providing a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein.